Creating the glass effect is now super easy with Figma's new glass feature. I'm going to try it out and make a glassy lock screen prototype. Ready? Let's get started. I have a mobile frame filled with an image. Grab the frame tool and hold Option or Alt to duplicate a blank frame with the same dimensions. I remove the fill, then add an effect. From the drop-down, choose glass. Let's first round the corners, drag it into the mobile frame, rename it, and center align it. Before we continue, please keep in mind, since the glass effect is in beta, it's available only on frames. You can't apply it to shapes or text. Corner radius must be consistent. Glass on glass, not compound. You'll not be able to export glass as SVG, and it's not fully supported in Figma sites. Meaning, if you want to publish the site, it produces an error. So you can't publish it yet. Hopefully, they'll improve this soon. Now let's adjust the glass effect. I'm going to set the frost to 0, dispersion to 36. I move the glass up a bit to see the difference better. Then set the depth to around 20. Good. We can also change the lighting angles and intensity. Let's tweak this a bit and align the glass to the bottom. Nice. Next, we are going to make the camera and flashlight buttons. Draw a square frame, add a glass effect, and round the corners to make a circle. Adjust the glass settings, place it at the bottom, and while holding Option or Alt, click and drag to duplicate it. Bring a camera icon and fill it with white, then add a flashlight icon for the left button and rename the frames. Now let's add the time. Set the fill to white with 10% opacity. Add a background blur effect, choose uniform and set the blur to 20. Then add an inner shadow effect, set the color to white, blur to 3.5, exposition to 1, and Y position to -1. I think it looks better if we lower the background blur to around 8 and reduce the fill opacity to 5%. Let's also add a date, tweak the effects and fill opacity a bit more for a cleaner look. Good. Our lock screen is ready. We just need to add the interaction. To do that, drag it outside the mobile frame, place it inside a larger frame, and change the frame color so we can see the glass. Now grab the frame tool and draw a frame the same size as the glass frame. Rename it to lock, duplicate the lock frame and rename the copy to unlock. Grab the glass frame inside the unlock frame and move it to the top, outside the visible area. But be careful, in the layers panel, it must still be inside the frame. If it's not, drag it back in. Now select both lock and unlock frames, go to the design panel, create a component set, and rename it. In prototype mode, hover over the lock variant and connect it to the unlock. Set the trigger to undrag and use Smart Animate for the animation. Then connect the unlock variant back to the lock using the same interaction settings. Now go to the Assets panel, drag an instance into the mobile frame, click on the preview, and there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, elevate, and create.